are going to work on our AI generated project, which is going to be created in Adobe Express. Please go to your student homepage and scroll down to Adobe Express and you'll see it right here. Once you click on Adobe Express, some of you may auto log in, but for those who do not, please click on View More and then click on Microsoft Office, continue with Microsoft Office. And it should automatically notice your school credentials because we are a Microsoft school and you need to log in this way to present any challenges using the software. If you create a totally new account, it might ask you to pay, and you don't need to do that because it's part of the school resources as long as you click on Microsoft Office to log in. Once you're in, you'll see the AI generator. For my entrepreneurship class, you'll be generating an image, a storefront image. For my web tech and cybersecurity class, you will ask AI to generate an image that corresponds with your subject matter. And I'll go a little more into details about once you get the image, what you need to do with it. So in this case, you can say, um, let me see, a bakery storefront. Now, depending on what you're looking for, you might have to try it a few times, or maybe it will generate images that you like, and you don't have to continue to try, but nevertheless, give it a minute, and it should generate images. Now, here we are. As you can see, the generator is still working on it, and that's fine. Just be patient and give it some time. Now, it has generated quite a few images as you look to your left. You see the bakery storefront here. Now, for the sake of the assignment, I am more interested in this image. Why? Because I can put signage here. Now, it's interesting, it put bakery there for me. So maybe I can use this image and put my signage here. Nevertheless, I need the name of your assignment. And to do that, you're going to click on the text box here. And whatever the name of your business is, you could use the preloaded images or you can add your own text. For the sake of this, I'm going to add my own text. Once I click in it, I can drag it. And if I double click, I can put what I'd like in it. Jones Bakery. Now, if I don't want my signage to be black, I can click on my fill, click on custom, and this will give me the option to change the coloring of my letters. If you scroll down a little more, you'll have other options. You have your opacity here, how there. You'll also have a shadow if you want to put a shadow there. And a lot of it is going to be based on your font and things like that. If I put my shadow color as white, okay, it's not the best color. Let me scroll up a little bit. We'll X out here. We'll go back here. And I'd like to change my fill to white because I want the name of my business to stand out. I also have the option to outline it with a different color. And all of these things, they're totally up to you how you'd like to make that happen. Okay? So just scroll down and know you have options here if you'd like to explore them. And then you have your outline thickness, which you can increase or decrease. As you can see, I increased it, and now my outline around Jones Bakery, it's very thick. Okay? Now, either you can submit the assignment at 100%, right? And you can also decide if you'd like to change the background color here. Alrighty. Once you feel like your assignment is um, good enough for what you'd like it to be, you will need to download the assignment. So how do you do that? You click your download button here. Once you download the assignment, it is going to show up in your download folder. If you want to create it for Instagram, etc., that's totally up to you. But nevertheless, I go into my download folder and here's my assignment. Let me show you a different direction. Here it is in my download folder. You see download to the left? And it should populate here. There's my Jones Bakery. Now that I know I have my download, if you want to rename it, you can just gently click in that box. I can name it my Jones Bakery just so that I can know what it is. Now, for my other classes, your assignment is the same. You are just going to create images. Here's my lunch bunch image from a student who has a lunch business. And here is one of my tech classes. For my tech classes, you're going to create an image that would align with tech, and then you will add words that we learned this year. So I believe this is for my cybersecurity student, and this is for my web tech student, my web designers. And again, it'll be based on those keywords. So if I put in here cybersecurity, give AI a minute, it'll generate an image based on your request. For my web design and cybersecurity class, you are to add 10 words. 10 words that are associated with your class content to the image. And you're going to take the same steps by clicking on text and add your text or choose from the font below, and you can type in. Now move your wording around. Please make sure the words correspond where you can see them. You don't want the word up there if you can't see it. Okay? Let me see here. Alrighty. So again, you want your words to respond to our class content. Once you've done that and you've downloaded it, please go to Canvas, and you know how to find Canvas on your home screen of your school portal, and find your assignment. For my Design and Web Tech 1 and 2, you see it's here. You're going to click on the link. This will allow you to upload the image naturally. I have to view it as a student. But when you click on it, you'll have the option to start assignment, and I apologize for the pop-ups. Start assignment, and go ahead and upload the file. Choose the file, and you will choose it from your download folder, and then you will choose the one that corresponds. Okay? Now that is for my web design class, and I'm going to go ahead and leave student view. We'll leave student view. And the same goes for my other classes. This is for my entrepreneurship class for the storefront. You'll see it entitled there. And the same for my cybersecurity class. And here's an example of the storefront that will be uploaded. Alrighty. If you have any questions, please feel free to Teams me. Please submit the assignment in Canvas, and I will look forward to your creations.